Hello and thanks for joining us from our studios in Israel. I'm Aaron Porras here with ILTV's Morning Brief. Israel is moving towards a tighter lockdown as more and more people are diagnosed with the coronavirus. The number of infected has now climbed to 1,238, with a rise of 135 cases since Sunday evening. And the health ministry has administered over 5,000 tests in just the last 24 hours, and 24 patients are in serious condition, with another 34 moderately ill. 37 have recovered from the virus. About 464 of the sick are currently at home, though, with 130 being treated in hotels that have been converted to house COVID-19 patients. The health ministry fears that the disease could spread to clinics, which is why they've now blocked IVF fertility procedures until the pandemic eases, throwing thousands of couples into limbo. And Public Security Minister Gilad Erdan is now doubling down on his calls for a full lockdown of the country with greater enforcement. Speaking on Israel's Channel 13 News, Erdan says that the military and police have been training for a full lockdown already, in expectations that a tighter quarantine will be inevitable. And he calls on the whole of the country to take this matter seriously, pointing to Italy, Spain, and other nations as cautionary tales.
המאבק הזה נגד ההתפשטות הוא מאבק משותף. קודם כל יש אחריות לממשלה באמת על המאבק הזה, אבל אם לא נפעל כאן ביחד, עם אחריות אישית של כל אחת ואחד מהאזרחים, אי אפשר יהיה לנצח במאבק הזה.
On Sunday, Israel's newest emergency regulations came into effect at 8 a.m. for the next 7 days, forcing Israelis to stay at home and only to leave to buy essential food and medical supplies or to seek medical help, with an array of other exceptions. The health ministry claims that if people abide by the new directives and stay at home, the country will start to see results in about 10 days.
ואני אומר את זה שוב, בלית ברירה אנחנו במאבק כאן של חיים ומוות. הראיתם את התמונות מספרד, מאיטליה, אני מקווה שלא יקרה כך גם בצרפת ואנגליה. זה מה שעלול לקרות כאן. חייבים להבין, כל אחד צריך לשמור על הילדים שלו ועל המשפחה שלו, ולגלות אחריות שמה שלא הכרחי, לא לצאת החוצה, להישאר בבתים.
The FBI has just released some shocking information. The United States agency claims that extreme right-wing groups in the U.S. are telling their staff to deliberately spread the coronavirus to Jewish people and police officers, according to a new report by ABC News. The FBI has allegedly intercepted several messages sent by neo-Nazis and white supremacists that have encouraged infected members to try and pass the virus on to Jews in marketplaces, political offices, places of worship, or businesses. And they also encourage members to attack police with spray bottles containing bodily fluids. The Anti-Defamation League's Center on Extremism claims that extremists have been spreading this information about the origin of the virus, blaming it on the Jewish people, and using the coronavirus crisis as a way to promote their own conspiracy theories. So far, there have been more than 30,000 cases of COVID-19 in the United States alone, killing almost 400 and counting. Now, one of the greater challenges in this global epidemic is the lack of available testing. And for every patient we know of, there are likely dozens more undocumented. But an Israeli company says that it has the answer. All over the world, coveted coronavirus testing kits are in high demand but short supply. Medical facilities only use them when absolutely necessary, and results take anywhere from 1 to 7 days to come in. So to meet this demand, Israeli company BATM is sharply increasing production of its rapid coronavirus diagnostic kits, with plans to ship them worldwide soon to almost everybody that'll want it. And in partnering with international institutions, BATM thinks that they can produce the kits at a suitable price for bulk orders. Now, the kit detects coronavirus from spit samples within just 50 minutes, one of the shortest diagnostic times on the market at the moment. And BATM CEO Dr. Tzvi Marom says that a home testing alternative is in development too. Now, in the meantime, though, Israeli pharmaceutical company Teva is also now stepping up. Teva has pledged to donate 10 million hydroxychloroquine sulfate tablets within the next month to the United States, whose health system is quickly starting to buckle under the influx of new patients, coupled with the lack of equipment, space, and available medicine. And while these pills have not yet been proven for the treatment of COVID-19, they have been requested by the United States for testing purposes. Hydroxychloroquine sulfate is approved for the treatment of patients with malaria, lupus, and several other diseases. That's all for now, but for more news from Israel, remember to like ILTV on Facebook and on Instagram, and to subscribe to us on YouTube. I'm Aaron Porras, and see you later with our main daily broadcast from Israel at 2 p.m. Eastern Time.